Hi, I'm Russ with Highway 83 Manufacturing of Garrison, North Dakota. This is our sewer manhole cleaning and rehabilitation machine. It does all the work without confined space entry, so let's get started. This is our power unit. It has a 25 horsepower Kubota and it runs all the hydraulics on the trailer. This is a Graco GH50 airless paint sprayer with a Honda power unit on it that we utilize to spray the epoxy paints on the walls of the manhole. Once it's out in the field and you have an issue with it, you can get parts at any local Graco dealer. This is simply a 35-gallon poly tank to hold your thinners or xylene, depending on the type of epoxies that you're spraying, but it gives you the ability to clean the airless sprayer out after each manhole and use. Here at the front of the trailer, we have our Grizzly 400 ice chest that we can store up to 25 gallons of epoxy and hardener on ice. And in the summertime, when we're coating manholes, we have found that we can extend the pot life by 20 minutes by keeping them on ice. This is one of 3 hydraulic stabilizing jacks, one in each corner in the back, one in the front. When you pull up to the job, you lower the jacks down and pick up just a little bit of the weight of the trailer so it's off the suspension to stabilize the trailer while you're using it. This is your hydrant fill station. You pull up to the fire hydrant, you put your backflow preventer on, hook your 2-inch hose up, turn on the hydrant, open this valve, and you flush all the water out of the hydrant and the crud onto the street. And then when you got good clean water, you close this valve, you open this valve, and go ahead and fill your water tank on the trailer. This is our 525-gallon fresh water tank that you fill from the hydrant fill. This is our pressure washer hose, and this is the paint sprayer hose. This is our Cam Spray pressure washer. It is Honda powered, and it is rated at 5,000 PSI. With the nozzles we are running 4,800 PSI at 200 degrees to clean the manholes. These are our 5-gallon gas and our 5-gallon diesel cans mounted on the trailer, so that as you're out working further during the day, if you run a little short on fuel or gas, you've got them on board the trailer. On the back of the trailer here, we have an aluminum bumper. You unplug the cord, pull the safety pin, and you can remove the bumper by simply lifting it out, carrying it back, and putting it on sawhorses, and we have an extension cord to hook it up. Now you have your traffic safety flasher for the back of the trailer when you're working in traffic.
All right, now that we've done a walkthrough and we know what's on the trailer, let's dive into a live demonstration and show you how the product works. First order of business is pulling over the manhole. You want to be 4 feet 6 inches in front of the manhole for the boom to be properly positioned. This is a 2-man job, and you might have to get out a tape measure. Once you have the trailer in position, it's time to turn that aluminum bumper into your traffic safety flasher. Put the bumper on the 2 sawhorses and use the provided extension cord to plug in your flasher. Once the flasher is set up, you're ready to remove your manhole cover and get to work. Let's start by explaining some of the controls.
On the back here, we have 6 functions. The first 3 are the stabilizing jacks to raise and lower them to stabilize the trailer for operations.
Locate those first 3 levers and lower your hydraulic jacks. This will raise the trailer, so you don't have any issues when lowering the boom. Now that our boom is in position, it's time to line it up directly over the manhole. Here is the next set of levers.
You'll see the 4 hydraulic control levers here. They operate our adjustments on the machine. So this first lever, I can fine-tune my location by going right and left with it. The next lever extends and retracts the boom, so I can extend it out to center over the manhole. The next lever here is your tower tilt level. So if you're sitting on a street and you can't get the trailer level, you can tilt this so that you're level to go up and down straight in the manhole. And then the last lever here is your up and down boom control for running the spray head or the paint head up and down in the manhole.
So we've covered the levers. Now it's time to clean the inside of the manhole. Once the boom arm goes down into the manhole, our rotating nozzle will spin inside and clean every surface. It's almost like how you wash your car. That red stripe on top of the boom indicates where the nozzle is at. so you're always aware of where it's facing. Manholes do need a couple weeks to dry, so we didn't paint this particular one. But here's some footage of a manhole being painted. So we've got the manhole finished, and we're ready to get out of here. Let's talk about how we fold up the unit.
These two levers are the folding up levers. I pull on them and I will begin raising the power head, and then we just fold her up.
It's as simple as that. Use a couple levers to fold up the boom arm, reattach your aluminum bumper, and you're off to the next manhole.
Thanks for watching this video today. If you have any questions, interested in sales or purchase, please contact us at our website and or our phone number of 701-337-2527.